Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my XINEMAX video 2.0 review. Here we're going to be taking a close look at XINEMAX, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with XINEMAX 2.0, which goes live on the 22nd of May by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, XINEMAX 2.0 gives you access to done for you video animations that you can use to get people's attention, ultimately drive traffic and skyrocket your business. And the best, some of the cool things I actually love about this is it actually allows you to do this in any niche, and then you can just go ahead and customize these templates to create your own unique video animations. Now I'm going to let you see some of these done for you animations to actually let you see these effects and how you can actually customize this. But just to let you know that you're going to be getting access to these templates, and you don't need any special software to actually customize these templates. You can simply go and load them up in PowerPoint. You don't have to buy expensive software. Now you have the options of using different software to customize these templates. But if you are using Windows, for example, you can actually customize these templates with PowerPoint, and then you can just hit the export button, and then you get your own MP4 animated videos. You can use to promote any product. You can use to get people's attention, and you can actually use for any video project or on any video platform online to drive traffic. Now, just to let you see some of these effects, you have text, image effects, video effects you are going to be getting access to. Let's see some of the text effects. This is one of them. Now, this particular example will be particularly useful either for intro or even for any explainer videos that you can actually use, to get people's attention. Now, you have a ton of bundles that you're actually going to be getting with your own XINEMAX 2.0. Let's check out another one. So that's another example of templates you're going to be getting access to in your own XINEMAX 2.0 bundle. You get access to the first bundle, you get access to another one for animated text, you get access to a ton of bundles. These are vertical videos also. Let's check out one of them. So we can actually enlarge that to see how it looks. So this allows you to easily create some animated effect, and you're getting access to all these bundles, and then you're also getting access to bonuses. You're getting access to the cinematic footage studio. You're getting access to multi-purpose music pack. You're also getting access to ready-made transition bundle as bonuses for XINEMAX 2.0. Now I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I've actually prepared, and you are going to be getting access to this from me on top of XINEMAX 2.0, and then I'm also going to let you see some of the effects you're going to be getting access to in your bundle. Now, Bonus number one, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software that allows you to drive traffic using other people's viral videos. Here, you don't have to create videos. Rather, you're going to be able to use viral videos to drive traffic either to your affiliate links, to your own product pages, to your own e-commerce stores, or basically to any link you want to send traffic to. Now you can actually log into the software, search based on keyword. This is going to pull out these viral videos for you, and then you can actually use whichever one you want. You can actually select anyone, upload even your own images, and these images are going to show up on the playback of these videos. When people see the playback, they see your videos pop up to them, and when they click, it takes them to your link. You can create clickable call to actions and even add opt-in forms on top of these viral videos to build your list while still sending people to any link. Bonus number two, you are going to be getting access to Doodle Video Creator software. Now, this allows you to create Doodle videos. You've probably seen these type of explainer videos on YouTube, on TikTok, Facebook, or basically any other video platform. You can basically upload any image, and the software will create a doodle of that image for you, and then this becomes an MP4 video which you can actually export, and then you can go and use, to get people's attention in any project. Also, bonus number three, you're going to be getting access to a video where I'm going to be showing you a number of ways you can actually get paid with videos. You are going to get access to some high converting professional video creation software, video creation, video editing software that are completely free to use. And then you're going to find out a number of ways you can actually get paid with videos without you having to show your face on camera. Bonus number four, you're going to be getting access to done for you video templates also that you can use, load up in PowerPoint, and then you can actually customize these to create MP4 videos that you can use to promote digital product or even physical product. Bonus number five, you're going to be getting access to training where I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website using WordPress. You can create an affiliate website, you can create an e-commerce website, you can create a blog website following the training here, even if you have zero experience right now with website creation. Now, with the knowledge you have, you can go to marketplaces like Fiverr, like Upwork, and then charge people hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars for creating business websites for them using WordPress. Bonus number six, you're going to be getting access to software products with white label rights. Not just the front end, you're going to be getting access to all the upgrades, upgrade number one, number two, number three, number four, which you can then customize, launch as your own product on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo, or any other affiliate network. Completely own these, and actually, you can use this, you can give this away to build your own list, and you can actually launch these and get paid, for being a software creator, for being a software vendor, without you having to pay a developer thousands of dollars for creating your own software for you. Bonus number seven, you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator software that allows you to create your own custom bonus pages in less than 1 minute. Now, the reason is because this comes with done for you bonuses, done for you graphics, and all you need to do is click on create, select the bonuses you want to appear on your bonus pages, and then you are good to go. This allows you to create unlimited bonus page campaigns. And bonus number eight, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses, just like I just showed you recently. You are going to be getting access to all these vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. Now, to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of XINEMAX 2.0, where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the product also. So here it says the most cutting edge cinematic video animations to captivate audiences and skyrocket your business in any niche within minutes. Come check out the video presentation, and also come check out all the software you can actually use to customize the templates you are going to be getting. And then you can actually see here, this is PowerPoint, meaning PowerPoint is actually included. you get access to a ton of other software which are mostly free also, that you can actually go and use to customize your templates, which actually makes a lot of sense. So come check out the sales page in your own time to get more information about Cinematic 2.0. Now let's talk about the pricing, and then I'm going to let you see some of the effects you're going to be getting in this bundle also. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $24.95, and this gives you access to all the bundles, and also allows you to download, customize these templates whichever way you want. That's for the front end. Now there's some optional upgrades like the deluxe version that goes for $37. There's a downsell for that allows you to pick it up for $27, and you have the vid instant library upgrade that goes for $67. So that's my review of Cinematic 2.0. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.